In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from WordPress to Ecwid. This is a handy skill to have if you're moving your online store from WordPress to Ecwid or if you're managing inventory across multiple platforms. I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful product import. First, you'll want to navigate to your Ecwid control panel. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Ecwid store. Accessing the control panel is your gateway to managing products, processing orders, and customizing your store settings. Consider bookmarking this page for easy access in the future. Once you're in the control panel, look for the catalog section. Clicking on this will take you to the area where all your products and categories live. Here you can see an overview of your product listings, and it's the starting point for managing your product database. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section as it's central to all your product-related activities. Next, you'll find an option labeled Import or Export Products. Clicking on this opens up additional options where you're given the choice to either import new products or export existing ones. Since we're importing, this is an essential starting point to move information from one platform to another. This tool handles the bulk of the heavy lifting, so having your data ready in a compatible format is crucial. Now select Import Products. This will start the process of bringing in the new data. When you choose this option, you're prompted to upload a file containing the products you wish to import. Make sure your file is in the correct format. Typically a CSV file is used, which structures your data into a readable format for Ecwid to process. If your data isn't in this format, you'll need to convert it. Numerous online tutorials and tools can help with that. Finally, click on Import File. This action allows you to browse your computer and select the prepared file for upload. Ensure that your file is clean, meaning it's free of errors and has all necessary fields filled in, like product names, prices, and descriptions. Double-check your file before uploading to avoid potential errors or omissions in your product listings. Once uploaded, Ecwid will begin processing the file, and your products should appear in your Ecwid store's catalog shortly thereafter. Pay attention to any error messages or prompts that might appear during this process, as they can provide valuable insights into any issues with the import. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import products from WordPress into your Ecwid store. With these steps, you can seamlessly transition or expand your online sales presence, ensuring that all your products are well organized and ready for business. Happy importing, and best of luck with your store.